friends, I'm sure you've heard this very popular quote. Family is where life begins and love never ends. God organizes us into families so we can experience love, compassion, happiness, and learn patience, trust, loyalty, and selflessness. But in today's hectic pace of life, discord and disharmony often creep in. Bitterness and misunderstanding may even cause the members to drift apart. Without giving away anything more, let me, Siddhi Guge, the narrator or the sutradhar of this play, invite you to be a part of one such family for a short while. Let us peep into the world of the Mehta family and witness their everyday struggles and challenges and how they finally rediscover the delicate bonds of love that bind the generations together. Presenting before you a heartwarming family drama, The Golden Retreat. Let me first introduce the cast to you. Jignesh Mehta, Grandpa, played by Master Aryan Pardeshi.
It's okay, everybody. Calm down.
Sarla Mehta, Grandma, played by Miss Vedika Bapat.
I thought I was helping. Your table looked such a mess. I was just tidying things up.
Kinjal Mehta, Mother, played by Miss Aditi Kardel.
There is no time for breaks. Times have changed and there's a lot of competition. You need to work hard.
Bhavesh Mehta, Father, Master Ved Honra.
What's going on? Why are the kids eating chips this late?
Anisha Mehta, Daughter, Miss Krupa Dusane.
Hey Mom, Dad, you're early home today?
Vihan Mehta, Son, Master Shubham Sangre.
Look what Grandpa got for us.
Mr. Yagnesh Patel, Neighbor, Master Aryan Satpute.
Just last week I was in Denmark. Our diamonds are in great demand there.
Mrs. Kavya Patel, Neighbor, Miss Devyani Bankar.
We are neighbors, but everyone's so busy nowadays, we hardly get to see anyone.
Mrs. Johnson, Teacher, Miss Malvika Nair.
I am always there for my students, Mr. and Mrs. Mehta.
Mr. Rodrigues, Old Age Home Representative, Master Shreyas Dhanit.
Hello, good morning. I'm from the Golden Retreat Home.
So let the play begin.
Come on, kids. Finish your breakfast quickly. We don't want you to miss the bus.
Yes, Grandma.
Finish your milk, Vihan. There's still some left.
Yes, Grandpa.
Mummy, you really should wear a mask when you're sick. Don't spread the infection to everyone in the house.
I'm not sick, dear. It's just an allergy. Can you give me a cup of tea?
I don't have time for that right now, Mummy. Can't you see how I'm running about getting the children ready? I still have to pack their tiffins.
Do you want me to help?
It's okay, Mummy. I'll manage. You'll just be in the way.
Has anyone seen my file? I can't find it anywhere. Kinjal?
I haven't seen it, Bhavesh. Maybe you should ask your mother. She keeps moving things around.
Oh, Bhavesh, it's over there on the cupboard.
Mummy, why do you always meddle with my stuff? I can't find my own things. Please don't touch anything on my table henceforth.
I thought I was helping. Your table looked such a mess. I was just tidying things up.
It's okay, everybody. Calm down.
Oh, my wallet.
I will make you some tea once I'm back, dear.
Okay.
Why is everyone always so angry in the mornings?
I don't know, but it's not right.
Come on, kids. Are you ready?
Yes, Grandpa.
Bye, kids.
Bye, Grandma.
Bye, Mom.
Mom, I'm sorry for getting upset. I'm just stressed out about this important meeting.
It's okay, son. Good luck for your meeting.
Thanks, Mom. Kinjal, I'm leaving.
Yes.
It was such a rush today. We almost missed the bus.
So, did they catch it?
Yes, we managed.
Dad, why do you always leave your stuff on the center table? You know I don't like anything kept on it.
I'm sorry, beta.
I'm the only one who has to do all the work around here.
Kinjal, I did offer to help you. Why are you always so irritated? I also managed a big household. It was a joint family and with so many children.
That was different, Mummy. You did not go out to work, did you? Bhavesh and I go out in the morning and come back in the evening. If we both didn't work, how would we manage the children's fees and all the other monthly expenses?
It's okay, Kinjal, beta. You go. You are getting late. We will tidy everything up.
You know, this is what she does every day. She talks to us rudely all the time. I feel so nervous when she's around. I'm so unhappy and hurt with the way we are being treated. Even Bhavesh doesn't say anything to her.
I know, Sarla. It's not easy. But perhaps they're stressed with all their work. And that's why they're so impatient. So let's be a little more supportive and understanding. And maybe we can help them to find a way to make things better.
Yes, I just want us all to be a happy family. I know they are good at heart.
Yes.
Grandpa and Grandma are often at the receiving end of their daughter-in-law Kinjal's anger and their son's Bhavesh impatience. But being kind and wise, they recognize the need for understanding and support as they try to improve this family dynamics. Scene 2. It's evening at the Mehta home. Grandpa gets ready to the bus stop to pick up the kids.
Shouldn't you be going to pick the kids?
Yes, you are right. I will go pick up the kids and you make their favorite snack.
Yes, I've prepared some samosas for them.
Samosas. That's good. They will love it.
Come soon. Coming.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Anisha. Hello, Vihan. How was your day at school today?
Nice.
Anisha? Vihan? What is this? Chips? Again? I've made something nice for you. Don't fill your stomach with this.
It's okay, Sarla. A little treat once in a while is okay.
Come on, kids. Go in and freshen up.
Yes, Grandma. Only 5 minutes. Go, Nisha, open the door. Vihan, you go. No, Nisha, you go. Vihan, please. Okay. Hey, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Hi, son.
Mom, Dad, you're early home today? Look what Grandpa got for us.
Chips, you know it's not good for you.
Mom, only few were left.
What's going on? Why are the kids eating chips this late?
Actually, I made some samosas for them.
Samosas? Wow. Thank you, Grandma.
You both seem to be tired. Let me get you some tea.
Bhavesh, this is too much. Chips, samosas, they're always letting them do whatever they want.
We should talk to them about this. Mom, Dad, we need to talk.
Yes, son. What is it?
I have noticed that you have been feeding the kids junk food and over pampering them. It's not healthy and it's spoiling them.
But we were just trying to make them happy. They are our grandkids after all.
Yes, and we only do it occasionally.
I understand that, but we need to maintain some discipline. They can't have chips and snacks every day.
We only did it today because we thought a little treat once in a while is okay.
We'll be more mindful next time. We just want to be good grandparents.
I know you love them, but we all need to be on the same page about raising them. Let's find a balance that works for everyone. Now, let me freshen up.
All right.
It's a bit tense here. Let's go out for a walk and get some fresh air.
Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Let me just put on my shawl.
Where are you going? Can we also come?
No, we'll be back soon.
Okay.
What are you doing? Still eating samosas? In your uniforms? Change, freshen up, and start your homework immediately.
Mom, can we just have a few minutes of break?
No,
Mom, we are tired from school.
there is no time for breaks. Times have changed, and there's a lot of competition. You need to work hard. Get up.
Yes, Mom.
Oh, you're back.
That was such a refreshing walk.
I knew you would like it.
Seems like Kinjal is in the kitchen. Let me just check if she needs help.
Do you need my help?
No, we'll manage.
So kids, you're doing homework?
Yes, Grandpa.
Need any help?
No, Grandpa.
Oh, come on. I can solve one question. I also went to school.
No, Grandpa. My teacher will scold me.
Okay, continue your homework.
Don't talk. Finish your work quickly. I'm making dinner. You should be finished with that.
Yes, Mom. I can't concentrate with all this going on. I know it's hard when Mom and Dad are so rude to Grandma and Grandpa. I don't understand why Mom and Dad treat Grandma and Grandpa so badly. I don't get it either. They've always been so good to us. It's okay. Let's concentrate. Go, Anisha, open the door. Vihan, you will go. No, Anisha, you go. Vihan, I'm not going. No. Fine. Oh, hello, uncle. Hello, auntie.
Hello, Anisha.
Mama, it's Patel uncle and auntie. Hello, uncle. Hello, auntie.
Hello, Vihan.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. What's up, Anisha and Vihan? Doing homework?
Yes, uncle.
Oh, how well behaved children you are.
Kim Cho Yadnesh.
Majama!
Hello, Mr. Mehta.
Hello.
How have you all been, Mehtas?
Oh, we have been managing well. You know how it is. How about you? How is everything with you all?
Oh, we are doing good. Children have gone to their grandparents' house for the weekend. And that's how we got some free time and thought of visiting you.
Okay.
It's so nice to see you after such a long time, Kavya, Yadnesh.
Hello, Mrs. Mehta.
Hello.
I know. We are neighbors. But everyone's so busy nowadays. We hardly get to see anyone.
Yes.
Thank God for WhatsApp. At least we are connected in a colony group.
Yes, though technology does have its downside.
You are right, Mr. Mehta.
Let me get you some tea.
Oh, Mrs. Mehta, why are you taking the trouble?
Oh, it's no trouble.
We are meeting after such a long time. We have just come to talk.
Our talks will be all the more entertaining with some tea and khakra.
That's right. I'll be back in a few minutes. You please continue talking.
Okay.
So Yadnesh, how's the business going?
It's going great, but very hectic. Just last week I was in Denmark.
Oh.
Our diamonds are in great demand there.
With him traveling all the time, all the responsibility of the house comes on me.
Yes, I can understand.
You both are so lucky. Your parents stay with you. You can leave the house in the morning peacefully, confident that uncle and auntie will take care of the house and the children while you both are away at work.
Moreover, the values instilled by the grandparents contribute so much in the overall development of the children.
Yes.
Mummy, what are you doing here in the kitchen?
I had to take my medicines, so I thought of having dinner before that.
The Patels have come over. Please go to your room now. Let me make some tea.
Really? You're getting so rude.
Is everything okay, Mehta?
The usual family drama. Let me go and check.
Oh.
I've noticed how rude Mehtas are to their parents. It's really not right.
Yes, it's quite upsetting. They are always scolding and dismissing them. Even the last time we visited, there was some kind of argument going on.
Oh, that. Yes. This will certainly have an adverse effect on the children who are constantly watching all this.
Yes, maybe we should find a way to talk to them about this. Maybe offer some advice.
Yes.
Well. The irony of life. The Patels envy Bhavesh and Kinjal, saying that they are so lucky their parents stay with them. The Mehtas unfortunately take them for granted. Let's see what happens in scene 3. Will they realize the value?
Papa, what's this document I found?
Oh, show me.
It's a loan application with your name on it. How could you take a loan without even telling us?
Oh, this. We didn't want to burden you with our financial problems, son. Your mother and I thought we could handle it ourselves.
This is ridiculous. You should have talked to me about it. We could have helped.
But we didn't want to depend on you.
What's going on here?
Dad applied for a loan without even telling us. We could have helped them out.
Dad, how could you do this behind our backs? You always act like you can do everything on your own.
Actually, we were just going to tell you.
Yes, and we wanted to do the Char Dham Yatra and we didn't want to ask you for money. You both are already so stressed.
This is too much. Bhavesh, do you know what your mother did today?
What?
She donated her antique jewelry box to some charity organization without even consulting me. This is really too much.
Oh dear, that. I donated it to some charity auction. They said they were raising funds for underprivileged children. I truly didn't realize it meant so much to her. I thought I was doing a good thing. I'm sorry, son.
Mom, that box was precious to her. You should have asked her first.
We are really sorry, beta. Let us see how we can make amends. Come on, Sarla. I see you need some rest. You must take your medicines.
Yes, I had to take my cough syrup. I don't understand why this cough isn't getting any better.
There seems to be no end to the misunderstanding and arguments in the Mehta family. The divide seems deeper now. Bhavesh and Kinjal try to find a solution. Let us see what that is in scene 4.
Bhavesh,
Hmm.
I've had enough.
Hmm.
I can't take it anymore.
Hmm.
Bhavesh, are you listening?
Suche. What is it?
I said I've had enough. I can't take it anymore. We need to take a decision.
What do you mean?
Have you forgotten all that I told you last week? We need to send them away.
To that old age home? Don't be mad. We can't do that. What will people say?
I don't care. But there is no peace here because of them. They are endangering our lives also.
What are you saying, Kinjal?
You become really forgetful, Bhavesh. A few days back, Mummy left the gas on and went away to the neighbor's house. Luckily, I was at home and turned off the gas.
Oh, that. It's a small thing, dear.
Small thing? The house could have caught fire. We could have all died.
Don't be so melodramatic. Listen, I'll talk to them. Everything will be fine.
And now, this loan thing. Next, they'll be selling the house without even telling us.
Okay, fine. We'll send them. At least there will be some peace in the house. Where is this place?
It's just a couple of hours away. I've made all the enquiries. It's not even like an old age place. It's called Golden Retreat Home.
Alright, I'll register their names. And now, let us go and tell them.
They'll be taken care of well.
Okay.
They gone? Yes, they had gone. I can't believe this. It is so bad. Mom and Dad are horrible. Good, we are behind the sofa looking for a marker pen, or else we would never come to know about their wicked plan.
We can't let this happen, Vihan. We can't lose Grandma and Grandpa.
We need to do something to stop it. We can't just stand by. Why don't we speak to Mom and Dad directly?
I'm not sure how they would react. I'm scared to talk to them.
But remember, if we don't do that, they will send Grandma and Grandpa to that old age home. Didn't you hear that?
Yes, I know.
Vihan. Oh, sorry.
Wait! I have an idea.
What is it?
Instead of talking face to face directly, I'll write a heartfelt letter to Mom and Dad, expressing our love for Grandma and Grandpa and explaining how much they mean to us.
Yes, that's a good idea. Keep it here. Mama will definitely find it.
Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Okay.
Mom, we are going out to play.
Wait, did you finish your homework? Kids, look at the mess they've made. What is this? It wasn't here before. Bhavesh? Bhavesh!
What? What happened?
Look what I found.
What is this?
Mom, Dad, we love you. But we also love Grandma and Grandpa very much. They've always been there for us and we can't imagine life without them. We understand that things have been difficult, but sending them away won't make it better. It will only make us more miserable. Please, Mom. Please, Dad. Please reconsider your decision.
What is this?
I don't know, but how did they come to know? Oh, Mrs. Johnson, please come in.
Who's there?
It's Vihan's class teacher.
Good evening, Mrs. Johnson. Please have a seat.
Late, but I needed to talk with you both urgently on a very serious matter, and I didn't want to discuss it in school.
What is it about?
I had asked the class to write an essay on my family. I told them to think about their family members, their roles, and what makes their family special. At the end of the period, everybody handed in their composition notebooks. Later, while checking the essays, I came across one that stood out, and it was written by Vihan. Here, have a look.
My family is like any other family, but there is something that worries me. My parents often scold my grandparents and find faults with them. They talk about sending them to an old age home. It makes me sad. Sometimes I think if I were a grown up, I would send my parents to an old age home instead. Maybe then they would understand how it feels.
What's going on, Mrs. Mehta, Mr. Mehta? I'm really concerned about Vihan's well-being. Lately, he has been very disruptive in the class. All the other teachers are complaining that he has become very rebellious all of a sudden and does not take corrections.
We have no idea why he's behaving like this.
Yes, and we are really sorry for his behavior.
Well, after reading his essay, I think I understand. Vihan is going through a lot emotionally. He is deeply affected by the way his grandparents are being treated. You need to do something before it's too late.
We have been so caught up in our issues that we didn't realize how it was affecting the children.
We realize our mistake. We'll make amends. It's time for us to change.
Yes. Thank you, Mrs. Johnson, for bringing this to our attention.
Thank you, Mrs. Johnson.
I'm always there for my students, Mr. and Mrs. Mehta. You can reach out to me whenever you need any help. Well, I'll be leaving now.
Good night, Mrs. Johnson.
Good night.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Johnson. Bhavesh, we were so caught up in our issues that we didn't even realize that our behavior with Mummy Papa will affect Anisha and Vihan to this extent.
Yes, Kinjal, you're right. We have to correct our mistake. Let's see what we can do.
Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick and you have to find a solution. Let us see in scene 5 if the Mehta family is reunited or breaks apart after these developments.
Vihan, go talk to mom.
No, I will not talk. You talk.
She will scold me.
I am scared to talk to her. I will not talk.
Fine. Mom, Dad, we can't bear the thought of sending Grandma and Grandpa to that old age home. We love them.
They have always been there for us. How can you think of sending them to the old age home?
We won't be a complete family anymore.
Please, Mom. Please, Dad.
Anisha, Vihan, stop crying. It is for the good of all of us.
And we won't be far from you. You can visit us once in a while.
No, we won't allow you to go.
Anisha,
Please, Grandpa, please.
Anisha, Vihan, Grandpa and Grandma are not going anywhere.
Mummy, Papa, we have been so caught up in our problems that we forgot the importance of family. We value you a lot and we don't want you to go anywhere.
I understand, Bhavesh, but I think it's better that we go.
Mummy, Papa, please. I know I've been very rude and I'm truly sorry for my behavior.
it's okay, Kinjal beta. You're like my
And I love you.
It's okay, Kinjal beta. You're like my daughter and I love you.
And you are all going through a tough time. We know and we understand.
We don't want to be a burden on you. We'll be fine at this golden retreat home. It seems like a really nice place.
We are not sending you to any old age home. We're family and we'll find a way to make it work.
Hello, good morning. I am from the Golden Retreat Home. We received a call about placing two elderly people at our place, Mrs. Sarla Mehta and Mr. Jignesh Mehta. Are they here? I have come to take them.
No, they are not coming. Our family is united and we have learned our lesson. This is our golden retreat where love, peace and understanding will bind us all closer together.
Happy to hear that, Mr. Mehta. We are losing out on a customer, but it's good to know that your family is going to be together. I'll take your leave. Good day, everyone.
Good day.
Well, this calls for celebration.
The family is united again.
In a world of chaos, we found our way.
Through ups and downs, we learn to stay.
In the warmth of love, we stand as one.
Through thick and thin, we will overcome.
Elders' wisdom, children's dream.
Together we are stronger than it seems.
We will cherish moments, both big and small.
In unity we'll rise and stand tall. In a world of chaos we found a way. Through ups and downs we learned to stay. In the warmth of love we stand as one. Through thick and thin we'll overcome. Elders' wisdom, children's dreams. Together we are stronger than it seems. We'll cherish moments both big and small. In unity we'll rise and stand tall. Family, oh family, we have learned our lesson well. Together we are stronger, in harmony we dwell. With open hearts and open arms, we'll cherish what we have. Our love will light the way, for that we sow.
stays together.
All's well that ends well. What an emotional roller coaster of play it was, wasn't it? I hope you all enjoyed it, not just for the moment, but I hope the message, the essence of the golden retreat will linger in your hearts. In the tapestry of family, the threads of grandparents weave a rich fabric, reminding all of us that their presence is a cherished link to the past and guiding light for the future. Parents and grandparents, the silent architects of our lives, the pillars of our family, they shape our destinies with boundless love, selfless support, enduring blessings, and sacrifices we may never know of. They do so much for us. We can never fully pay their debt. Let us pledge never to bring tears of sorrows to their eyes. Instead, may the tears they shed be tears of joy, happiness, and pride as we reach great heights of success, guided by their unwavering love and support. Thank you.
Hello.